Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon TV box blinking red and green. So here's a guide for your power cycle, cable check and replacement. Step 1. Wait for the startup process to finish. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not unplug the box while the lights are blinking during an update. Step 2. Restart the TV box. Unplug the TV box power cable, wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and allow several minutes for the box to reboot it completely. Step 3. Check the coaxial cable. Ensure the coax cable is securely tightened at both the TV box and the wall outlet. Inspect the cable for damage. If possible, try a different coaxial cable. Step 4. Verify HDMI connections. Make sure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to both the TV box and the TV. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Test with another HDMI cable if available. Step 5. Restart your Verizon router. Unplug your Verizon router. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait until the internet connection is restored. Restart the TV box. Step 6. Check for a service outage. Sign in to your Verizon account or use the My Verizon app to check for fewer service outages in your area. If there's an outage, wait until Verizon restores service. Step 7. Factory reset if directed by Verizon. Some Verizon TV boxes include a reset button, but a factory reset may erase settings and should generally only be performed if instructed by Verizon support. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.